Hello everyone, today I have something exciting to share with you. I recently ordered a vernier calipers and a screw gauge, from Amazon, and in this video I'm going to unbox them right in front of you. These are the two of the most important measuring instruments used in physics lab, and they help us to measure small dimensions with much greater accuracy than an ordinary ruler. So here, let's cut this. So now I'm opening this packet and let's see what comes out. And as expected, the vernier caliper and the screw gauge came out. So here we are. Don't worry about the packaging. This is what Amazon gave it to me. And so these are the two instruments, very important for us. This is the screw gauge. Sometimes it's called as micrometer also. And this is the vernier caliper. So let's start with the vernier caliper, and here this one is called as the outer jaw and this is called as the inner jaw of the vernier caliper, and this is even more important, this is called as the depth rod. This depth rod is used to measure the depth of a cylinder or a hole. For example, if you want to measure the depth of this pen cap, you can insert this depth rod and you can move this vernier caliper something like this with the help of this notch here, right? And if you want to measure the outer diameter, then you use the outer jaw. So outer jaw is used something like this. If you want to measure the inner diameter, then you can use the inner jaws. So you place the inner jaws inside the cap and you expand it like this. So you will be able to measure the inner diameter of this cap, right? Now what about the micrometer or the screw gauge? Micrometer is used to measure the even smaller thickness, like the thickness of a sheet or the diameter of a wire, diameter of a riffle. For example, if I want to measure the diameter of the riffle with more accuracy and more precision, then I'm going to use the screw gauge instead of vernier caliper. So what I will do, first I will unscrew this, something like this. Now there is enough space to put this riffle inside. No, yeah, now I have enough space. Now when you are tightening the screw, make sure that you hold here, not here, because that can permanently damage your screw gauge. So hold it like this and now tighten. Once you hear the sound 3 times, then stop. And this is how you are going to use vernier calipers and screw gauge. We are going to discuss more and we are going to do practical with this. Till then, if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel so that I can share more interesting videos with you and I can stay connected with you.